Donut1331 here with Team Safe Zone, and I'm on Monty PvP and I have a raid. There's obsidian right there. So I'm gonna creeper again for no apparent reason. Because I'm bored. Yeah. Creeper egg. Get in. Yep, I'm get in. What the hell? No, that didn't work. Need a bigger hole to get in. Wow, how many hits does it take? Oh. One more right there. I should be in. Yep. I'm in. Little obsidian base. Oh. Yes. Yes. All this free stuff it's good. I'm happy with all this. Obsidian. This. Break his spawners. For free XP, because I don't have a silk touch with. Okay, so slash. No. Let's see, is there anything else I really want at this base? Get rid of the cobble, take the gold. Don't need that much else. Yeah, I don't need anything else. So, I'm just gonna bank all of it now. This is sad, actually. I'm just gonna bank it all. It wasn't a very hard raid to get to. It's a quick raid, really. It's had some good stuff. I'm good with it, so that's it really, guys. Bye.